Have you ever noticed something strange? The loudest ones in the room rarely have real wealth. But the millionaire who lives next door? You wouldn't even know he's a millionaire. Here's a shocking truth. 88% of millionaires are self-made, yet most of them never flaunt their wealth. Why? Because staying quiet is part of the strategy. In this video, we're diving deep into the 10 mind-blowing reasons why real millionaires keep it low-key. And you'll want to stay till the end, because reason number 10 might just change the way you handle money forever. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Flashy is a liability, not an asset. In today's Instagram-driven world, most people believe the louder you look, the richer you are. But millionaires know a dangerous truth. Every expensive display of wealth is an open invitation, not just to judgment, but to risk. There's a study by the Journal of Consumer Research that found people who display wealth are seen as less trustworthy in business. That's a direct hit to their network, deals, and relationships. Real wealth doesn't scream, it whispers. They don't wear it, they grow it. Most people mistake luxury for security. But here's the flip. Millionaires see silence as safety. The next time you feel the urge to show off your new iPhone, ask yourself, is this an investment or an invitation to judgment? Here's your first takeaway. What you keep private often grows the most powerful. And if you think this is just about perception, wait till you hear what millionaires know about energy vampires in next point. Number 2. They protect their energy like gold. Richard Branson exemplifies this principle vividly. Branson, renowned for founding Virgin Group, attributes his productivity to his ability to protect his energy. He schedules regular breaks and delegates tasks that don't align with his core competencies. This practice not only sustains his entrepreneurial drive, but also fosters continuous innovation within his ventures. By shielding their energy, millionaires avoid the pitfalls that trap others in cycles of stress and burnout. They prioritize activities that align with their goals and values, consciously steering clear of draining situations and toxic relationships. This deliberate choice allows them to maintain peak performance in their careers and personal lives. Guard your energy by learning to say no and prioritizing tasks that align with your goals. Allocate your time and effort in activities that yield the highest returns, both financially and personally. While others exhaust themselves chasing every opportunity, real millionaires invest their energy strategically, ensuring sustained success and well-being. Number 3. Strategic silence. Let me tell you about an interesting trait found in top hedge fund managers. They rarely speak in public about their moves. A Bloomberg report showed that firms that kept a low profile on their investments consistently outperformed competitors by 7% annually. Why? Because when you talk too soon, your edge evaporates. Millionaires treat information like a chess move, not a tweet. Meanwhile, the average person shares their plans with 15 people and then wonders why their momentum crashes. Strategic silence is power. Ask yourself, what if I kept my next money move to myself until it was unbreakable? That's the formula. They understand that wealth building is a mental game. And speaking of games, ever wondered why millionaires avoid arguments, especially online? Let's unlock that next. Number 4. They stay silent, but scan the room. Like investors read stock charts. Ever seen someone argue in a meeting, thinking they're winning, while the quiet one in the corner is silently evaluating everything like a Wall Street analyst reading market trends? Real millionaires don't waste time in petty debates. They observe patterns, behavior, and weaknesses, because knowing when to speak is a financial skill. Every minute spent in useless argument is a minute not spent compounding knowledge, connections, or capital. Arguing inflates ego. Observing multiplies equity, mental, emotional, and actual net worth. Most people make the costly mistake of reacting emotionally, arguing to prove they're right. But in doing so, they lose access to opportunities, connections, and deals that demand emotional intelligence. When you speak too much, you reveal your plans, your emotions, and your weaknesses. The smarter path? Listen, observe. Store data like a hedge fund scans signals before a billion-dollar trade. At your next argument with a friend, boss, or spouse, ask yourself, is this making me $10,000 smarter or $10,000 poorer in peace, time, or future access? Observation is a profit-generating habit. Silence is a negotiation tool. Your reaction cost can be $0 or $100,000. Choose wisely. While average minds speak to be heard, wealthy minds stay quiet to understand and profit from what others miss. Number 5. The power of the spotlight effect. There's a behavioral concept called the spotlight effect, where people overestimate how much others notice them. Real millionaires use this to their advantage. They realize that nobody is really watching closely, which frees them to make mistakes, pivot strategies, and grow quietly. Most people are paralyzed by fear of judgment. That fear costs them opportunities. But when you realize no one's really thinking about you, you move faster. Millionaires play their moves in the background while the world watches distractions. A surprising fact, 62% of millionaires live in neighborhoods where the average house price is below $400,000. They stay under the radar. Ask yourself, what would I attempt if I wasn't scared of being watched? Think about it. And just when you believe it's all about playing safe, here comes the point that reveals their secret weapon in silence. Number 6. Quiet money grows loud results. If your bank account could talk, it would probably beg you to stop announcing every move. Real millionaires understand that the loudest person in the room is usually the one with the least compounding returns. Silence isn't just peace, it's profit. The average millionaire invests quietly, reinvesting dividends, building diversified portfolios, and letting compound interest do its thing while others are busy showing off gains on Instagram. Every time you brag about your next crypto play or side hustle, you invite noise, judgment, competition, and sometimes sabotage. People blow their shot at real wealth by revealing their goals too soon. It makes them feel validated in the short term, but robs them of long-term resilience. If you keep broadcasting your every move, you're burning your edge. Someone announces they're flipping real estate. Suddenly, cousins want in, friends want tips, competitors undercut prices. Another one? A guy starts his stock portfolio and posts daily screenshots. When the market dips, he sells out of fear, because now he's being watched. Every time you speak your strategy, you risk leaking your leverage. Compound interest works best when it's left uninterrupted, just like a tree grows taller in quiet forests, not noisy highways. Number 7. They've experienced financial trauma. The reason many millionaires don't flaunt their wealth isn't humility, it's history. They've faced financial trauma so deep, it rewired their relationship with money. Maybe their family lost a home in the 2008 crash. Maybe they saw debt crush their parents, or they themselves lived paycheck to paycheck with $4.27 in the bank. Those memories don't go away. They create quiet warriors who no longer need to prove anything. People make the mistake of mocking oversavers or quiet earners. But here's the truth. Most of the loud spenders never faced a true financial breakdown. That's why they treat money like a game. But those who've been through financial hell understand the value of every dollar. They don't argue over brunch, they budget. They don't show off paychecks, they invest in dividend stocks, index funds like emotional armor. Financial trauma is fuel, but only if you respect its lessons. Your silence can become your safest investment strategy. Number 8. Privacy is the new luxury. In a world where your data is bought and sold, millionaires buy back their privacy. The richer you are, the bigger the target. That's why real millionaires use trusts, shell companies, and even quiet investments like municipal bonds. They own assets in silence. They don't check in at 5-star hotels. They book them under holding companies. You can't attack what you can't see. Ask yourself, what parts of my life are too public to protect? Your silence is a shield. Speaking of shields, ever wondered why they never seek applause for their generosity? That takes us into point 9, and it might just redefine how you see kindness. Number 9. Silent giving. 72% of wealthy donors give anonymously. Why? Because for them, giving isn't marketing, it's meaning. They don't donate for applause, they do it to align with purpose. True generosity doesn't need witnesses. Most people post their charity. Millionaires post their impact through results. They fund schools, scholarships, and shelters and keep moving, because giving quietly protects the dignity of the receiver. Ask yourself, do I give to be seen or to see someone rise? And now, we've reached the final point, and it's the most surprising of all. This is the core reason millionaires stay silent. This is the rule that separates the rich from the legendary. Legacy is built in silence, not in noise. Here's a truth that hits hard. Fame fades, but legacy lasts. Real millionaires aren't chasing attention. They're planting trees they'll never sit under. They know the world doesn't remember who shouted loudest. It remembers who created lasting change. In the book Die with Zero, Bill Perkins talks about the importance of meaningful experiences over materialism. Millionaires quietly invest in their families, fund generational trusts, mentor in silence, and document their values. They're not chasing likes, they're building legacies. Ask yourself, am I investing in applause or in my great-grandchildren's freedom? That's the difference. If you've made it this far, you're not just a viewer, you're a future millionaire in the making. And now, you know the rules the loud never learn. Watch this video I am going to give you, 8 stupid habits that actually make you wealthy. I'll see you there.